video, I am practicing the right current for this easy spot welding for cylindrical battery, because if the current is too high, nickel strip the nickel strip will burn and it won't stick to the battery. I am practicing first how to locate the right ampere. I will make an example, a higher current, which is bad for the battery and also for the nickel strip. I choose 0.12 thickness. I just put a mark so that I can figure out my first setting for current. This is for current and this is for millisecond. That's an overcurrent. It is an overcurrent, and the result is the nickel strip turned into dark. Yeah, the spot mark is just about to change the color. So the best result is the nickel strip. The color of the nickel strip must not change. But this one, I can tell that this hold firmly. So I will adjust the current. Also burning, which is the sign turn into dark instead silver color. I adjust the current again, reduce. So this is the best. Look at the spot mark. It is pretty much the same, the color of the nickel strip, and I will check if it will hold firmly. Well, hold firmly. It leaves nickel strip leaves on the plate, so this is the best for the one. With white. This current applied for 0.12 on this plate, and I will try also to the battery, which is 18650. If the result is the same. So this is 18650 I will spot in the positive side. Well, the result is very the same. Nickel strip, the color of the spot mark very the same to the nickel strip. I will check whole family. So this current ideal for 0.12. I'll do it again. This is the second spot. That's it. Hold firmly. So this is the right current and voltage for this is the right ampere for 0.12. Now look, the nickel strip stick to the positive side of the battery. So this ampere, this current ideal for 0.12. This is 0.15. I will try 0.15 if also fit to this. Right on. So one stake on 0.15. I will adjust. Well, it's not really good. The nickel strip turn into the dark. Not really, but so adjust a little bit. But this mark is clearly it all stick to the battery. Look at that. The spot mark turn into dark, lighter dark. So I've already reduced. Well, still the same. Go back it here. The whole firmly. The nickel strip stick to the battery. Because of that, it leaves a hole. One stick. Try again. Is it? This spot mark, it is clearly that the nickel strip holds the battery. And again. Hold firmly. This one leave it here for 0.15. That's it. This is for 0.12. Alright. So whole family. Take it off. nickel strip stick to the battery. Set hole firmly. This is 0.15 thickness, 0.2 nickel strip. This battery. Well, spot mark shows better, and I hope it stick firmly. Not strong enough, so I increased another seconds a little bit. Good. The color of the spot mark is the same to the nickel strip. Did not change the color. Not really strong. Go back to the previous one. Good enough. Good enough to hold. What's more if I add more? If I add another two spot. And this 4 spot enough to hold that thing. That's it. It's better for 0.2. I think I can increase a little bit. The color didn't change. The color of the spot mark very the same to the nickel strip, and the spot mark shows the battery and nickel strip firmly stick together. It's better. It is more better than the previous. After I pulling out a few nickel strip LVT stick to here, a few nickel strips stick to the battery, and because of that create a holes, 2 holes. I increase a little bit and try once more. Not good because the spot mark, the color of the spot mark contradict to the nickel strip. So guys, if you build AC alternating current spot welding from the microwave transformer. My advice is just to practice first, figure out the right ampere before heating to the battery for your safety. That's it. So guys, I hope you learned something, and if you have any questions in regards to this, can you please comment to the comment section box and I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching guys. See you to my next video.